Hello everyone and welcome to Badgeskins. My name is Peter and today we will be doing an unboxing video for the Aerofabb Competition Series Diffuser. So I wanted to show you how everything is put together in the box and all the bits and pieces from start to finish before we actually get it onto the car. So without further ado, let's take all the boxes, put it on our table and go through all of them. A lot of packaging, which is good. Keeps everything nice and safe. I don't know what this is, we'll save that for after, but let's get this packaging taken out. So let's start with the hardware. Everything here is labeled with letters, which I love about Aerofabb because it makes it easy when you're installing and looking at the owner's manual. You can just match everything up, makes installation very smooth, very easy, and they always include a Sour Patch Kid. Who doesn't like that? And another thing about Aerofabb, this is literally the IKEA of cars. The installation guide, everything about it is super simple and easy to read, to navigate. And let's, I was touching this already, so let's unbox this. Got a couple brackets here. Let's open this up. These look like the adjustment plates. Couple more set of brackets. These look like the mounting brackets. Put this aside. Next we have, they're calling this the side strakes. Okay, so this is the same material, high quality material that they use for the spoiler extension and other products. This one's in a gloss finish, so it's gonna look super sleek. So that was the side strake. And these are, by the feel, it's the end plates. So this is the end plates, and these come in a nice textured finish, very similar to the side splitters and the front lip. Very nice, and it has a Aerofabb logo there. And this will be on the left and right side of the diffuser. Okay, on to the next piece, or pieces. These are wrapped together. So they're calling this the Diffuser forward flat floor. And this looks like it goes towards the front of the car that's under your exhaust and your subframe area. So let's take that apart. Let's just rip it. Okay, this is one of the pieces. These are powder coated, nice finish. Beautiful piece. So attached to that piece before are the side planes. Again, super high quality pieces. It's really light, but it's firm. This is super firm. It's not really flexible, but the cuts, the finish, everything's super high quality. Yeah, impressive stuff, honestly. I think this is last but not least. This is the main plane, the main diffuser. And this here is the main part of the diffuser. Looks really good. So this here will be coming out from the rear center of the vehicle. They have a really nice branding right here. It says Aerofabb Competition Series. And they pre-assembled the center strakes. They pre-installed these, and these are made out of plastic. And it looks like they can be replaced if damaged, which is great. You know, if you hit a big dip or hit something on the road, these can be replaced. Okay everyone, that's the end of the Aerofabb Competition Series unboxing video. Throughout the whole experience, you can tell from start to finish that everything is super high quality. The packaging is insane. It's actually probably the best packaging you'll ever see from car parts, or of car parts I should say. The hardware is stainless steel hardware, so there will be no rusting, super high quality hardware. We can't wait to install this onto the Golf R. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Badgeskins YouTube channel, subscribe to Aerofabb's YouTube channel. They have a few videos on there too. Make sure you follow us and Aerofabb on Instagram, and stay tuned for the installation of the Aerofabb Competition Series on the Badgeskins Golf R. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.